Welcome to Tech Beads. In this video, we're showcasing some of the coolest tech gadgets that you can use in your daily life. From heated socks and gloves to a smart back brace with a built-in massage function, we've got you covered. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest in tech and help us make better content. Let's dive in. The Cinera Edge is a remarkable headset from the American company Cinera Incorporated that will transport you inside any movie or game you choose. The headset features a headband equipped with 2 micro OLED panels and Dolby Digital headphones with 5.1 surround sound, creating a fully immersive experience. The tiny screens display images in 5K, and the manufacturers guarantee that wearing the Cinera Edge feels like looking at a 1,200-inch screen from a distance of 20 meters. As the headset is compact and portable, you can set up your personal movie theater in any convenient location. The Cinera Edge is available at a starting price of $600. The issue of safety on public roads is of great concern for cyclists, as they have limited options compared to drivers. However, Tempo, a French company, has devised a solution to help alleviate this issue. The CORKY X sunglasses are equipped with tiny mirrors that function as a rearview mirror. Cyclists can use this feature to view what's behind them without turning their heads and taking their eyes off the road. Moreover, these sunglasses are compact, lightweight, and don't hinder the cyclist's speed or performance. Prices for these glasses begin at $65. The DJI FPV drone is not just a tiny flying camera, but an experience in itself. It provides the pilot with the actual feeling of flying with the aid of virtual reality goggles. The drone can be controlled through a gamepad-like controller or a motion controller, which adds to the immersive experience. The drone captures high-quality footage in 4K resolution at 120 frames per second, even at an ultra-wide 150-degree angle. It boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design and can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2 seconds. With a range of 6.2 miles, the DJI FPV drone allows the pilot to fully immerse themselves in the experience. Priced at $1,300, it's a worthy investment for anyone looking for an unparalleled aerial experience. Introducing the innovative Ember Travel Mug 2. A smart mug that combines technology and convenience. This mug allows you to set and maintain the temperature of your drink for up to 3 hours. You can easily control the temperature through the accompanying mobile app, and the lid is designed to be leak-free. The mug's easy-to-clean construction is also waterproof, allowing you to submerge it up to 3 feet underwater. With a price tag of $180, this smart mug is a must-have for anyone who appreciates convenience and technology. If you're a regular follower, you might have come across the concept of active suspension in vehicles. However, today we will introduce you to an entirely new concept: active suspension shoes. Enko, an innovative company, has developed these unique sneakers that have a distinct sole design, which acts as a shock absorber during active movements. The shoe's system absorbs the foot's energy when it hits the ground and stores it in the spring, releasing it when pushing off the ground. As a result, these shoes not only reduce joint load but also provide additional acceleration. It took 12 years to develop these sneakers, and you can purchase them now for $390. Rika, an American company, has introduced a cutting-edge approach to maintaining dental hygiene. Their smart brush, Encompass, is designed to clean teeth faster and more effectively than traditional brushes, taking only 20 seconds to brush your teeth. The brush has a unique design that cleans all teeth at once from the top or bottom using bristles set at the optimum angle and pressure. The brush's bristles make up to 100 movements every second, enabling it to remove dirt from even hard-to-reach areas. Despite its size, Encompass is highly efficient. The price for this innovative brush starts at $130. Introducing the Hadean electric skateboard from the Australian company Evolve, which is powerful, reliable, and extremely responsive. It is an upgraded version of another popular Evolve skateboard, the GTR, with 37% more battery capacity and 4 times more power, thanks to a patented layering arrangement. The Hadean boasts a super carved suspension system consisting of dampers with varying stiffness levels that are finely tuned. The built-in lighting ensures increased safety, and there's an automatic brake indicator. The skateboard has a range of 40 miles and a speed limit of up to 31 miles per hour. The Hadean has been tested on some of the steepest roads globally and proved itself well. The starting price for this skateboard is $2,900. The Ninebot One S2 is an innovative electric unicycle created by Segway, providing a unique and exciting alternative to other personal vehicles. The 14-inch construction is equipped with a built-in self-balancing system, combining both sporty style and elegance. With a top speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of 19 miles, the Ninebot One S2 is both fast and efficient. Furthermore, the design is compact, lightweight, and easy to store and transport. The Ninebot One S2 is available for purchase at a starting price of $1,000. The PrintBrush is a compact and user-friendly pocket printer that comes with a mobile app. With its simple interface, you can print any image you want, whether downloaded from the internet or created by you. An essential advantage of the PrintBrush is the broad range of materials it works with, such as paper, wood, fabric, plastic, and metal. It is even gentle enough to print on an inflated balloon. As the printer has a small size and few parts, it is environmentally friendly, and its carbon footprint is 50 times less than that of a standard printer. The PrintBrush is available at an affordable price of around $250. Introducing an innovative solution for outdoor enthusiasts from Canadian company Quanta Vici, the Quanta Vici heated socks and gloves. These high-tech garments can be controlled with a mobile app, allowing you to adjust the heating temperature to your liking. Not only that, but the Quanta Vici gloves also feature a thin skin-tight fabric that enables you to use touch screens on your smartphone while wearing them. The gloves won't hinder your everyday tasks either. The socks and gloves are sold separately, each priced at $200. The Torch backpack for cyclists is an incredible piece of equipment that we could discuss at length. Its LED panel makes you highly visible on the road, making your journey safer. Additionally, the panel enables you to communicate with drivers as it flashes when braking and acts as turn signals. The backpack features numerous compartments to keep your belongings organized, including a side pocket with a wireless charger for your smartphone. The bottom compartment is both waterproof and dirt-resistant, making it suitable for storing shoes, among other things. The Torch backpack is available for $210. Introducing UpCore, the latest innovation that can help you improve your body balance, correct your posture, and prevent back pain while strengthening your muscles, all with the simple push of a button. This smart back brace comes with a built-in massage function that targets deep layers of muscles, providing a therapeutic effect. When not in massage mode, the brace supports your back and reminds you to maintain the correct posture. Using UpCore for only 23 minutes a day can lead to noticeable results in just a few weeks. The price for this device is around $200.